Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share some cardiac diet tips with you. Okay, cardiac diet means low fat and low cholesterol diet. Okay, first of all, for a healthy heart and for cholesterol reduction, you have to eat in moderation and don't take heavy meals and prefer small frequent meals like fruits, salads, etc. in small quantities. Take foods in small quantities. Then the diet should be rich in fiber. Soluble and insoluble fiber is essential to reduce cholesterol, and it is essential for heart health also. So include raw salads, fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, pulses, beans, etc. Avoid white rice. White rice is low in fiber, so avoid it and eat brown rice, and eat brown rice in moderation. Means 1 cup a day, means boiled rice, one cup of boiled rice, 1 small cup of boiled rice per day. Okay, then avoid the use of saturated fat such as ghee, butter, dalda, vanaspati and palm oil, etc. Also avoid animal foods which are red meat, beef, mutton, pork, etc. These all are high in saturated fat. Chicken contains saturated fat, so limit its usage. Use skinned and cooked chicken, means don't use fried chicken or such things. Also remove the skin, don't use the skin. Cook chicken in low fat, low oil, and also boiling, steaming, grilling or baking is recommended. Fish you can consume fish 2 to 3 times a week, that too cook it in less oil. Also don't deep fry the fish. Then try to avoid coffee, and you may take 1 to 2 cups of tea per day, and try to use less sugar, that is half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon sugar, and always use skimmed milk only. Don't use whole fat milk or home or the milk bought from houses. Then restrict oil intake to 20 gram, that is around 2 to 3 teaspoon. Also use refined oil such as rice bran oil, high oleic sunflower oil, or extra light olive oil. Use one of these oil. Then eat salad every day with every meal, with breakfast, lunch and dinner. Take eat a salad. You can make a salad with cucumber, carrot, then tomato, etc. Or you may eat lettuce or such green leafy vegetables also. Then choose raw vegetables and fresh fruits and raw vegetables as snack. When you feel hungry, eat some pieces of fruit or some pieces of vegetable. Then try to reduce sugar. Choose a diet moderate in salt. Try to reduce salt in your dishes. Then do some exercise. Balance the food you eat with physical activity. Means take a 30 minutes brisk walk in the morning or evening, or you can do some mild exercises also. Do not use reused oil for cooking. Don't use oil which is used once. Do not reheat or reuse it. Then now I will tell you some foods to be avoided in cardiac diet. Saturated fat rich foods like butter, ghee, vanaspati, coconut oil and palm oil. Coconut oil also should be avoided as it is high in saturated fat. Now refined flour like maida. Maida means all purpose flour or white flour. We usually use it for making bread or bun or cake, etc. So avoid it and prefer whole wheat flour or such whole grain, multigrain, etc. flours. Avoid carbonated drinks or beverages. It is not good for health. Then avoid fried foods such as cutlet, samosa, etc., vada, chips, mixture. Avoid such fried foods. Also avoid salt preserved foods such as pickles. Avoid papads, canned foods, biscuits, etc. Biscuit contains saturated fat and it is not good for health. Avoid dried fish. Dried fish will contain a lot of salt in it, so avoid it also. Then avoid coconut, shredded coconut or coconut milk or coconut oil also. These all are high in saturated fat and saturated fat will cause cholesterol buildup and it is not good for cardiac health, so avoid it. Then avoid puddings, cakes, pastries, ice creams, chocolates, etc. as these all contains a lot of saturated fat. Saturated fat is not good for you. Then avoid red meat, pork, mutton, beef and organ meat. Organ meat like liver, brain, etc. Also avoid egg yolk. Egg yolk is high in cholesterol. One egg yolk contains around 185 mg of cholesterol. So avoid egg yolk also. You can consume 2 to 3 egg white daily. 2 to 3 egg white is allowed. You can eat egg whites but avoid egg yolk fully. Then avoid whole milk. Whole milk is high in fat and cholesterol, so avoid whole milk. Whole milk powders, condensed milk, milk products like such as cheese, paneer means cottage cheese, avoid these all dairy products. Only use skimmed milk and low fat yogurt. Okay, now I will tell you some foods recommended in cardiac diet. High fiber and antioxidant foods, antioxidant rich foods are recommended. So you can eat whole grains, wheat, wheat flour, etc. and other barley is allowed. You can take brown rice also. Then green leafy vegetables such as spinach and lettuce. So you can consume green leafy vegetables and take yellow to orange colored fruits. Yellow to orange colored fruits and vegetables such as papaya, pineapple, mango, carrot. Then you can consume citrus fruits like lemon, orange, sweet limes, etc. You can eat grapefruit also. Then kiwi is also good for health. Then antioxidant rich fruits like pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, so you can consume it. And if you get organic red grapes, you can consume it. You can consume red grapes. Then you can consume guava, pomegranate and red grapes. These all are rich in antioxidants. Then salads and boiled vegetables. You can consume salads, fresh salads or boiled vegetables. You can make a clear soup with vegetables. You can add sprouted grams or beans or lentils into soup. Then consume low fat milk, that is skimmed milk. You can consume one cup of skimmed milk. Then you can consume low fat buttermilk or yogurt. You can get by buttermilk or yogurt which is low in fat, or there is a non-fat yogurt also. Non-fat yogurt also is available in market. You can purchase that also. Then oily fishes such as sardine and mackerel, you can consume them. Avoid large fishes and shrimps, prawns, such things. Now butter is high in cholesterol also. Around 100 gram of butter contains 250 mg of cholesterol, so avoid it. And chicken also contains cholesterol, so around 100 gram of chicken contains 60 mg of cholesterol. So use skinless chicken only, also eat in moderation. You can consume 2 to 3 times, but portion control is required. So control and eat more fruits and vegetables. Also include high fiber foods in your diet. Okay, if you try these tips, your cholesterol bad cholesterol level will reduce. And also these diet tips are good for heart health, means cardiac health. So I hope you all will try these tips. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, please like this video and share this video with your loved ones. Okay, Thank you for watching.